Hey there, future global scholars. Are you ready to turn your study abroad dreams into reality? Welcome to Darehalt Travel, your ultimate guide to exploring the world through education. In this video, we'll walk you through everything you need to know about studying abroad, guidance, consultation, and amazing opportunities. Stick around, because we've got some incredible tips just for you. Studying abroad isn't just about getting a degree. It's about experiencing new cultures, making lifelong friends, and growing both personally and professionally. But where do you start? Step 1. Choosing your destination. Think about the language, culture, climate, and education system. Our consultation services can help you find the perfect match based on your preferences and career goals. Step 2. Navigating the application process. It can be overwhelming, but don't worry. We provide personalized guidance on filling out applications, writing compelling essays, and preparing for interviews. We even help with visa applications and ensure you have all the necessary documents. Our goal is to make this process as smooth as possible for you. Step 3. Funding your studies. Did you know there are tons of scholarships and financial aid options available for international students? We help you find and apply for these opportunities so you can focus on your studies, not your finances. Step 4. Preparing for departure. From booking flights to finding accommodation and understanding the local culture, we provide you with a comprehensive pre-departure guide. We even offer packing tips and advice on staying safe abroad. And once you arrive, our support doesn't stop. We're here to assist you throughout your journey, ensuring you have the best study abroad experience possible. Ready to embark on the adventure of a lifetime? Click the link below to schedule your free consultation with Darehalt Travel today. Join thousands of students who have transformed their lives through studying abroad. Your global education journey starts here. See you soon. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips and updates on studying abroad.